Samsung has made a bold move in the tech world with some exciting news about their upcoming Galaxy S25 series and ambitious plans for 2025. Among their groundbreaking announcements, the first official product for 2025 has already been revealed: the Galaxy XR headset. This is Samsung's direct response to Apple's Vision Pro, and it's packed with innovative features that could redefine the extended reality XR experience. Unlike Apple's Vision Pro, the Galaxy XR headset comes equipped with AI-powered Android XR, developed in collaboration with Google. Media outlets that had a chance to experience the Galaxy XR headset describe it as revolutionary, with the integration of Gemini AI making it an all-seeing and all-listening device. This AI can perceive your surroundings in real time, offering assistance as you wear the headset. Design-wise, the Galaxy XR headset bears a resemblance to the Apple Vision Pro, but is significantly lighter. It includes advanced motion sensing technology and multiple cameras to support floating gesture controls. Samsung is expected to unveil even more details about this innovative headset at the upcoming Galaxy S25 Unpacked event, generating further excitement among tech enthusiasts. Samsung's second major power move involves their handling of a security breach. For the first time, the company caught the leakster responsible for releasing unauthorized footage of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This bold action demonstrates Samsung's commitment to safeguarding its intellectual property and maintaining secrecy around its high-profile launches. However, their plans for the Galaxy S25 series are even more impressive. Unlike many brands that play it safe, Samsung is setting ambitious goals, aiming for sales of 37 million units, a target higher than last year's. Adding to the excitement is the second generation of Galaxy AI features, which may include a powerful Bixby update to rival Apple's Siri. Samsung has been teasing its plans to introduce next-generation AI capabilities, which could significantly enhance the user experience on their devices. The potential integration of Max SA for the Galaxy S25 series further highlights Samsung's innovation. The company is reportedly working on magnet cases and other accessories, such as wallets, power banks, and pop grips, designed to support this advanced charging standard. On the pricing front, Samsung seems committed to maintaining affordability. Reports indicate that the Galaxy S25 series will retain the same price structure as the Galaxy S24 series in Europe, a reassuring development for consumers who were concerned about potential price hikes. If this strategy is adopted globally, it would be a major win for Samsung fans worldwide. Another highlight of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its new color variant, titanium white silver, which promises to be a stunning addition. According to trusted leaker Ice Universe, this model will feature a white back with a silver middle frame, making it one of the most beautiful options in the lineup. Samsung has also revealed memory configurations for the S25 Ultra, including a 16GB RAM option paired with 512GB of storage. Furthermore, the device is rumored to come with UFS 4.1 storage, the fastest standard currently available. This upgrade ensures lightning-fast data transfer speeds and enhances performance for tasks like app installations and file management. In summary, Samsung is pulling out all the stops for 2025 with the launch of the Galaxy XR headset and an ambitious strategy for the Galaxy S25 series. From AI-powered XR technology to expanded Galaxy AI features and enhanced hardware specifications, Samsung is making it clear that they are ready to lead the tech industry. With competitive pricing, stunning design options, and cutting-edge performance, the Galaxy S25 series could set a new benchmark in the smartphone market. Let us know your thoughts about these developments, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates.